What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to get infinite viral video ideas that are guaranteed to get views by using one of the tools that vidIQ offers. So of course, for you to use this tool you would need to have an account opened with vidIQ. If you don't have an account already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. So once you open an account, this will be your default page right here, your vidIQ dashboard. So from your dashboard, go over to the left hand side and click on the Ideas tool right here. Now here, vidIQ will give you a lot of ideas each day that are specific to your channel. So the ideas that are guaranteed to work well with your channel. So of course, for vidIQ to know what works well on your channel, you will need to connect your channel with vidIQ. If you don't know how to do that, I already made a step-by-step video about just that. I will link it in the upper right corner. So here are your daily ideas. You can save them by pressing this heart icon right here, or you can delete them by pressing this X icon here. And those you saved you can find under the saved ideas, and those that you deleted you can find under the dismissed ideas. Now let's check out how some of these video ideas rank on YouTube. Let's take the one that we saved, so Windows 11 setup guide. I will just copy the first part with all the crucial keywords and go over to the outliers tool right here. So we'll just paste the title in the search bar and click on search. So at the moment it's only showing the older videos, so as you can see 3 years ago, 2 years ago, etc. So let's see how recent videos perform. So go to filters and change the publishing date to, let's say, last 3 months and click apply. So if we take a look at the views right here, you can see that this video is posted 20 days ago and it has 14,000 views already. Also this one, 14 days ago, around 50,000 views, which is 100 times more than this channel usually gets. And this all tells us that this is a pretty good topic on which you can make a video that is guaranteed to get views. So that's how you use the vidIQ Ideas tool alongside with the Outliers tool to find some unsaturated video ideas that are guaranteed to get views. Also, if you're new to vidIQ, I have the whole playlist on how to use different vidIQ tools and features, so you can check that out if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.